key. This is for your brother.
We have a bag, Michael?
Huh? Under the sink.
Where do I put all this?
Your dad's going to get a garbage bag right now.
Oh my, I've got too many.
Dad's getting it. And don't forget to take a candy bag and put it in your bag, okay? You can go in the hallway if you want and play with them.
Where's the hallway?
Right down there near the bathroom. Wow, what is it? Oh, beautiful. Look at her hair.
Ricky.